All right, in this video, I'm going to be showing you an upgrade to the SalesPress Pro premium version. And what I've done is I've added a responsive page template. I'm going to show you right before your very eyes how to add a really cool responsive sales page to your marketing efforts. First of all, you just log into your WordPress dashboard, and we are live here, and you just create a page, add new page, template, test. You'll see all the icons of the SalesPress Pro are up here, and you'll see down on the right hand side it says templates, and there's a lot of different templates you can choose from, and I'm going to choose, it says responsive template. It's a new one, and you just click on responsive template, and you'll see it in page options. If you scroll down, let me move over, if you scroll down you'll see all the different page options, and the first one you'll see is the autoresponder template options. There's autoresponder, there's common options, video sales page options, HTML5, and Flash Player options. First of all, these are all tabs here. So if I just move this tab up here, and you can see here that you can move these tabs around. For example, here's the HTML5 video player. So for example, if I wanted to move this one up, just click and drag it, and I'll just move it right there. So I got your responsive template options. You got the HTML5 covert player options right below that. Under this I got the autoresponder options and so forth. First of all, I'm going to expand on the responsive options, and this will bring a lot of different options. You'll see them when I expand that. You have 4 different options here, and I'm going to come down and I'm going to click on content options. When I do that, this comes up, and I'm going to scroll down. You can add a lot of different things in here, short code and things like that. You can add your Facebook and Twitter URLs. I'm going to put the content width at, say, for example, 850 wide. It's going to be 850 wide. I'm going to have a border, and the border is going to be 2 pixels, and it's going to be all sides, and it's going to be a solid border, and the border color I'm going to put to be about a maybe light gray. And you can see here that the border radius, I'm going to put maybe 5 pixels, so it's going to have a little bit of a border radius around it. And you'll see here that if I come back up here, right here, it says background options. I'm going to add a cool background. Now you can have any background that you want, whether you want any color, or you can also add images. For example, if I just want to have a background color, I can pick any background color right here, or you can have images as your background and so forth. I'm going to add an image. And I'm going to click on this, and it comes up here. And what I can do, I can click on browse for my hard drive and upload that image to my WordPress, or I can select one of the ones that I've uploaded already. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click on browse, and I'm going to select this background right here. That one right down, background 2. I'm going to come here and open. There's right there. So I've selected that one, and now I'm going to upload that file, and there's added. So it's added right here, the one that I selected, and I'm going to select it. So it's now uploaded, and I'm going to click on select image, and now it's ready to go. So now I'm just going to simply just add some text up here, and my first text I'm going to add is some headline font, and you see all the different icons here. The first one is a short code, SalesPress Pro short codes. I'm going to click on there. A window pops up, and these are all the short codes that I can add. Bullets, all the different colors and styles, download boxes for membership icons and so forth, hyperlink, page dividers, and then you got your headlines right here. And I'm going to pick, for example, Tahoma Centered, and I click on Insert. And you'll see that when I click on Insert, I can add the size of the font, the color. I can put the text in right here. So for example, I'm going to put create awesome. If I can type awesome responsive sales pages using SalesPress Pro. All right. And the color is going to be black. That color right there is black. But say, for example, I just want to underline the word awesome. It can be underline. And I'm going to put create awesome responsive sales pages using salespresspro. Salespresspro I'm going to put as a different color, and I'm going to have it as this maroon color right there. And that's all I'm going to do for right now. And I'm just going to publish this, and I'm going to show you what it's going to look like live here. And let me just click on View Page, Live. And there it is right there. Isn't that very cool? You can see that the header is really cool. This is my WordPress, and there's a cool header. And down below it's white, but I can turn this into gray very easily. But I just wanted to show you that all images and so forth are responsive. So for example, if I click on these buy buttons here, and this comes up, and if I insert a buy button or one of these add to cart buttons, you'll see, for example, if I add this blue one here, and if I come down here and I add in the link here, PayPal or whatever, buy button, and there is the buy button right there in the visual editor. So I'm going to simply just going to click on update, and you'll see there's the buy button. You see that? So there's a template, and I'm going to go to my Firefox, and I'm going to go to Web Developer, and it's going to be responsive design view. If I click on this, you'll see that it's almost like a mobile device here. It's totally responsive, and if I scroll down, and even the image is responsive. You see that? Everything fits in perfectly. And so that's working great. Let me just come back here. You can add a video. So for example, I'm going to add a video right below the headline. It's going to be right here. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to go to video player options. I'm going to open that up, and it says video options. It's going to be, I can also do an opt-in inside the video. I'll show you how that works as well at a later time. Here's a short code, and I'm going to place that short code. I'm going to right click. I'm going to enable it. And I'm going to place that short code right here, right below the video. Okay, and it's going to be, for example, 720 by 405. Okay, that's the dimensions of the video. And I'm going to set all my options for the video down here. It's going to be a self-hosted video, and so you need to find your WebM. Let me copy this one right here, and I'm going to put the MP4 in there. There's the MP4, and put the flash fallback, MP4, there you go. And it's going to have a logo, no logo, and I'm going to come back here. The autoplay is going to be set to, sure, I'll put autoplay on, and it's going to have a border, and the border width is going to be 2, and the border color is going to be, this is like a skin, but it's a shadow border around it. And no splash URL. And don't want to have a dark icon set. Sure, I'll have a dark icon set. And the control bar will be light gray. And the buffer color will just be white. There, so that's the video. Okay. And I'm going to come back here. I'm going to save the options for the video. Right there, and I just put a random video in there that I had. Come back here, and I'm going to click on the page here. You can see it.
We are back.
So there it is. Okay, so there's the headline, there's the header, and you'll see there's a video. It's got a little bit of a shadow border around the video. It's got a black icon set. There's everything's right there, and I put the buy button below that. And you'll see if I come down to the responsive design view. Let me click on that, and if I scroll down, there's a video right there. See that?
Video.
And you click on play, and it's totally responsive. Isn't that cool? So this is dynamite. salespresspro is so easy to use. It comes with everything that you ever need for your marketing powers, everything from exit scripts to countdowns to everything. And it doesn't get easier than this. Thank you.